Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we're taking a look at Humble Bundle and seeing some of the cool things that you can now get. Now we've already talked about Humble Bundle previously and it's quite interesting to see some of the things that they are giving. And for those who have no idea, Humble Bundle is a platform where you can get a huge set of things for a fraction of the price. And if you like to get either games, books or software related stuff, you can simply go ahead and check it out. Right now, the Best of Synth version 2, which is a remix of game development assets, are right here and you can simply go ahead and get it. By default, purchasing these individually are quite expensive, but if you're thinking about getting all of them, then you'll be able to get them for a fraction of price, which is currently at 28.14 euro. And this would give you access to all of this entire bundle. And the thing with the Synth pack is most of the assets that you get in here, if not all of them, are fully low poly and ready to use 3D models. So whether you're trying to get fantasy characters or assets, or maybe found assets, you do have a huge number of them right here. And this cuts across a lot of things, and I'll definitely suggest that you come through and check it out. It's also worth mentioning that this is not the only one that you can get, as the Unreal Environment Mega Bundle that we've already talked about is gradually running out. So for those who haven't gotten this might still be a good time for you to get it. And again, this also contains 19 different bundles that you can get, and this cuts across a huge set of bundle packs that you would be needing for Unreal Engine. So whether you're trying to make some sound stuff, or you're looking for medieval stuff, or probably you're trying to do some stylized or post-apocalyptic stuff, right now you can get it. And something else that we also didn't mention earlier is every single time you purchase something from the folks at Humble Bundle, which of course actually gives you a lot of things for a fraction of the price, you're also donating to charity, which is a worthy cause. So if you're trying to get all of these, this is also something that I would suggest you do. The game development toolbox is also another beautiful one that I would suggest you go ahead and grab. And this is for those who like to learn various parts of how to work with Blender, Unreal Engine, or probably you're into Unity. So this cuts across a lot of things, which also includes how you can work with C#, get started with Unreal Engine, create sci-fi environments, create ultimate survival horror games, and also create hyper casual games. One of the cool things about this particular bundle is you do get a start to finish of various ways of how you can work with both Blender and Unreal Engine. And for those who are thinking about creating stunning environments in Unreal Engine, there are courses that also covers these. So this is a very interesting one. I do love the fact that this doesn't only cover how you can work for both games, but also covers a lot of things in terms of visual design. It's also worth mentioning that if you're trying to get started with lighting and compositing, creating stylized 3D models, getting started with geometry nodes, or most probably you would like to know how to work with Blender 4.0 and above, then there are interesting courses that you can totally get right here. There's also this beautiful course that has to do with Blender to Unreal Engine 3D plants and vegetation, and there is also a beginner's guide on how you can start building 3D environments in Unreal Engine. All of these courses are right here and you'll be getting 29 of them, which is coming for a fraction of the entire price of 28.12 euro. And again, to whatever you pay here, there is a donation which currently goes to the Alzheimer Research UK. Something else which I'll also suggest that you go ahead and take a look at, although we've already talked about this one before, is the Evermotion Content Creators Collection that deals with architectural vision. This currently has 3 different packs, which again I would suggest you go ahead and check out if you're into environment designs, or possibly you like to take advantage of these collections and use some of the interesting assets that this comes with. All 3 of these bundles are going for 23.14 euro, which is more like half the price of one, which actually retails for $50. And for those who are into sound, there's a huge set of bundles I would suggest you go ahead and grab, and the Beat Builders is one of them. So the Beat Builders deals with 62 different items which you can get, and this cuts across different sound design stuff that you might be needing. So whether you're looking for major Afro pop, or you're looking for future pop, or maybe some R&B stuff, all of these are right here and available for you to start crafting your sound. Most of About Sound also includes this interesting bundle that deals with becoming an audio hero, as this comes with royalty-free music and sound effects which you can use for both games, sound designs, and animations as well. This currently offers 74 different bundles that comes at an extreme low price of 18.50 €60. And the same thing can be said for the Melodic Mayhem, which is a comprehensive audio and music bundle for both Godot, Unreal Engine, and Unity. More so, this currently also offers 45 different bundles that cuts across a huge genre of sound that you might enjoy working with. So for those who are into sound, or probably you like to take advantage of these assets that are currently available, then you might want to go ahead and check this out. The Synth version 2, which is a huge set of game asset library, is a very impressive one, and I will also suggest that you check out every other one, which includes the game development toolbox and the Unreal Engine mega bundle. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.